ever thought about a way to automate your blog post? You have a website, but you're too busy to post. Not just posting, creating of content, thinking of the content idea, just writing blog posts that are SEO friendly. I want to show you how to automate this whole process, and all you need to do is just to pick up your smartphone, give it an instruction, and Claude will do all of this. So with Claude, you can automate your WordPress website today and create any kind of post. But hold on, let me show you. The good thing is you don't need to be a tech person and you can use free tools to achieve this. But let me show you how it works first of all. I'm going to pick my phone and I'm screen recording on my phone. But also I want to show you my website so you can see that everything we're doing is in real time. So I picked up my, this is my blog post on the website. You can see how to automate client follow-up. This is our latest post. I was just posted this morning and you can see that it's here. It's the same, all right? So this is the latest post. But I'm going to give it an instruction and it's going to do that. What I've done is I've gone ahead to Claude to actually create a prompt that I can just give it and to generate a post. I don't even need to give it a blog idea. I don't even need to tell it, oh, create this blog about this. You could do that if you want to, but I just wanted to think, look at everything we're doing on our website and automate the process. So I'm just going to copy the prompt that it gave me and I'm going to post it here. And this is all I need to do. And it's going to connect to Canva. So this is the process it's going to run through. Here's the process. So first of all, it's going to think, right? But this is what it's going to do generally. First, it's going to generate an image on Canva. And after it generates an image on Canva, it's going to upload that image directly to our WordPress library. Once that is done, it's going to go ahead to create the post and publish the post. So from what you can see, it's currently thinking, it's connected to Canva to generate the image. But what I would do is just to speed up this process so that we can go into the actual result. Now you can see that it's creating the blog post content and publishing it. And because of the way our website is built, we're going to get the push notification when that happens on our phone. Now you can see the push notification just came. Just go straight to the post. Once it's done, it's going to tell us that it has created everything. But you could also refresh on the blog here so that I can just show you evidence that everything was created. Now you can see the blog post here, how to automate your blog publishing workflow with Claude AI and WordPress. Just exactly this video we are doing. There you can also come to the blog here and you can see the image, AI blog automation. You can find it on also my mobile phone, how to automate your blog publishing workflow with Claude AI and WordPress. Exactly the video we are actually talking about. What a coincidence, Abby. All right, so this is how you can actually automate the whole process. I'm going to show you the step-by-step video. So if you're seeing this directly on YouTube, keep watching. The next thing you're going to see is us starting the process to learn. So let's get started. But if you're seeing this video on TikTok, just head over to my YouTube channel at Ziplight Studios, search for it on YouTube, and the first video you're going to find today, you will be seeing it. So this is Automation Friday. Welcome to Automation Friday. Before we get started on the video, I just want to introduce Automation Friday. This is going to be our first video. Every Friday we're going to be creating new automation, from AI workflows to AI automation into your website, to AI video generation, AI image generation, and automation that makes your life easy. So if you're interested in this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's get started. Alright, so for us to achieve this automation, the process is typically simple and anybody can do it. First of all, you need your WordPress site. I'm using a new WordPress site, but you could actually do this on your website even if you already have a complete website and everything. All you need is to just install a few just one single plugin, and it's going to be free and be able to do this. So this is the site. This is the front end. You can see that it's just a new website, and you also will need Claude Code and Canva. You need to connect both Canva and your WordPress website to Claude AI. So sorry, I've been saying Claude Code. This is not Claude Code, this is Claude AI. All right, so what we need to do is get to Claude. After you've created your account, go to customize here. For Claude, you need to just go to Claude.ai, be able to connect it. Then you're going to find this option called connectors. Click on it here. Now, there are two types of connectors. You could connect what we call what has been provided. Those are just tools that have been provided, like Gmail, Google, Slack, and you could find the rest of them, right? Then you have what we call custom connector. This is to add custom connector, like your WordPress website that is not generally
it's not a widely available tool that people use. Right now, I've gone ahead to connect Canva, but if you want to do that, you want to just click on Browse Connector here. So once you click on Browse Connector, all you need to do is just to search for Canva and follow the process to connect it. Is that simple? All right, so after you've successfully added the Canva, right, using Browse Connector, you're going to come to add custom connectors. Now, for the free Claude account, you'll only be provided with just one custom connector, right? So custom connector is just connecting your Claude AI to custom sites that are not publicly available, right? Like your WordPress site. Now, the thing here is this: you only have a single custom connector for your free account. But if you want to have more, you need to just go for any of the Claude premium plan, like the $20 plan, which is like the most affordable, to the $200 plan and way more, and you'll be able to do way more with that, right? So let's go. So now it's going to ask for your name and your MCP server. So what you want to do is I'll just call this, right? Then the next thing is I want you to come to your WordPress dashboard. You're going to go to plugin, click on add plugin. Now we're going to be adding one plugin, which is one of the best WordPress AI plugins, so right out there. So you want to paste this, just search for AI engine, and you need to install this particular plugin by Judy Meow. Right, click on activate. This is one of the best AI tool, and we're just using the free version. The free version will help us connect the basics of our WordPress website, like to add users, to add blog posts, which we're focusing on. But if you want to do way more, right, like update plugin, deactivate plugin, check your site health, your SEO, and all of those, you could go with the premium. And you could also connect it directly to an open AI API key or Gemini API key, I think Claude API as well, and you'll be able to do way more. It's going to have a chatbot within WordPress that will help you write your blog post, edit your blog, edit your SEO, and way more. You also have a chatbot at the front of your site, and you could also generate an AI chatbot that will sit on any other site that is not even on this your WordPress website. So if you want to consider that, you can go with that. So let's just stick to what we're doing. So click on settings here. You're going to come to MCP, right? Then make sure to check this if yours is not checked. Then you're going to just click here to copy this, right? Then come back to Claude and you're going to paste that here. Then click add. Now it's important to have Claude AI open on the same browser where you have your website open, right? So that it links up quite well. All right, so it has connected, but you still need to click get approval. So just click on connect here. Now click on approve. Now it's connected, but you need one more thing, so just hold on. Now what you need is to come here and click on this need approve, and you're just going to make it allow always, so that it doesn't need the approval every time it wants to do something on your website. The good thing is Claude will still ask you to approve certain things before it goes ahead to do it, so you don't have to worry about anything going wrong. All right, so that's all. You can just close this. Now you can come to your AI engine to test it out. So you can be on that test, click on run connection test. You can see that it's now connected, right? So you can see that it's connected. So this is just a basic testing, but at this point, if you watch to this point of the video, I want to say thank you, and do well to subscribe, like, and share. Do well to leave a comment for the next automation you want us to put out there. So first of all, let's just try something quickly. I'm just going to say hello. So hello, are you connected to my website? And just for notice, you can see this is a free plan. Since I don't automatically know which website you mean, but I can check to. It says looking for available. Okay, I see WordPress. They're dead connected. Yeah, okay. Now I want. Alright, so I said now I want you to create a blog post called how to connect Claude Code to my AI website using AI engine and generate a future image from Canva, then add a category called AI automation Friday and tell my people to subscribe. So this is me saying please subscribe, share, and like, and try to watch the video. Don't skip any process, because at the end we have something always good for you. So let's test it out and see if it works. We also told it to, we're going to send. So it's going to do the whole process, but I'll try to speed it up so that you can see the results. All right, so you can see it says done. Your post is live. Here's a quick rundown of everything, so you can just check out what it does, the title, and all of that. So let's head over to our website here, and we're going to go to post. Now, remember the post it created. It says how to connect Claude AI to my WordPress site using AI engine, right? So the content is a full step-by-step guide covering AI engine. So it just tells you what it's about, the featured image, and all of that. So you can find the post here, how to connect Claude. So you can find that everything is working. You're going to click on view to view it. So you can see the title, you can see the image, the future image, then the content. It's well arranged. Now you can tell it how many words you want. You could also tell it to do table of contents, optimize for SEO, and a whole lot more. So this is just a quick breakdown of how those process work. And if this was helpful, leave a comment, tell me that it was helpful. Are you going to be using it? And let's see. I'll catch you in the next one. Now we also created next automation Friday video. Here we're going to talk about an expanse connection. Here we're going to show you how to connect first to Claude, your website to a Claude Code account, to a Claude AI account, which we've done here. So you have a better understanding if you're watching that video. You also know that you can actually connect to your social media account. So once you post, once you tell Claude to create the content and you post it to your website, it will also go to your social media accounts, your Facebook, your Instagram, and different social media handle. And we're going to be using free too. And also, it will also go to your email listing. So from your mobile phone, you can publish a post and it will go throughout your social media accounts with your email listing and a whole lot more. So if you're interested in this video, do well to click to subscribe, do well to like, and do well to follow. I'll also put a link so you can join our email list, so that every time we release a video on our Automation Friday, you'll be able to get updated on that. So I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.